Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll talk about YouTube latest update. YouTube has updated its terms and condition in August 2021. Now all the new YouTubers has to pass two additional requirements. Before, you have to get 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. Now you have to pass two additional requirements. Now YouTube has added two additional things in their monetization policy. The first new thing is two-step verification. You have to set up two-step verification on YouTube channel. This new update is good for all the YouTubers. The second thing is about active community guidelines strikes. If you will break YouTube terms and conditions, then you will get community guidelines strikes. If you have any active community guideline strike on your YouTube channel, then your YouTube channel will not monetize. So now to onwards, all the new YouTuber has to pass these four requirements. First thing, 1000 YouTube subscribers. Second thing, 4000 hours of watch time. Third thing, two-step verification. And fourth, the last and main point, active community guideline. You should not break any YouTube terms and condition, so you don't have to get any community guideline strike on your YouTube channel. So this is the latest YouTube update in August 2021. So you have to follow these additional two new rules: two-step verification, active community guideline. You should not break any YouTube terms and condition. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.